Hello everyone, myself Shagun Gupta. I am from Isabella Thoban College. My roll number is 225068. So our present topic is sphere, which is taken from our syllabus of BSc first year. So let us discuss about what is sphere through definition of sphere. So we have a definition of sphere which is written as here: the locus of a point in a space which remain at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a sphere. Means locus of a point just like this are the point of locus in a space, given a space which remains at a constant distance. All are at a constant distance from center, which is a fixed point, and the distance is r. Know that equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. It is the standard form of sphere equation. Now let us take an sphere whose origin is O and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0 and a fixed point at locus P whose coordinate is x, y, z. The distance between OP is r. From distance formula, OP is equals to r, which is our distance. So from distance formula, distance between O and P is given root x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equal to r. By definition of a sphere, we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Equation of a sphere whose center is a, b, c and radius is r. This is the type of equation in which the center is given. So when the center is given, then we have a formula which is written here: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square equal to r square. The coordinate of center is a, b, c and p is x, y, z. So this is the given equation for when the center is given. General equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus g equal to 0. It represents the equation of a sphere whose center is minus u, minus v, minus w and radius is under root u square plus v square plus w square minus g. We get the center when we divide 2u by 2 and change the sign to minus. Then we have center is minus u, minus v, minus w and radius is under root u square plus v square plus w square minus g. It is as it is. Let us take an example for solving these type of equation. Just take an example for solving how we can solve these type of problems. Our question is given a sphere, equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x plus 8y minus 10z plus 11 equal to 0. What will be its center and radius? It is asking what its center and what is its radius, and the given equation is this. So we can find the center as when we divide the component of x with 2 and change the sign of it, then we get minus 3, and just like this we can solve the for y and for z. So we get the center point is minus 3, minus 4, plus ka 5, and the radius we can calculate from this. So radius can be calculated by root 9 plus 16 plus 25 minus 11. Here d is 11. So minus d minus 11. On solving it, we get r equals to root 50 minus 11, which is equal to root 39. So we get the center point is this and radius is this. Let us talk about diameter form, which is said as states the equation of a sphere, the ends of whose diameter are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is x minus x1 in bracket x minus x2 plus y minus y1 in bracket y minus y2 plus z minus z1 in bracket z minus z2 equal to 0. Through this equation we can find diameter equation of a sphere given in diameter form. Example. So let us take an example for understanding much the diameter form. It is a given sphere and the two end points are this. First end point is 1, 1, 2 and the second one is 0, 1, 2. So by using this point in formula, we know that the given formula is x minus x1, x minus 2 and so on. So by putting the values here, x1 is this and x1, x2, y1, y2, z1 and z2. These are the points. So on putting the points in equation, x minus x1, we have x1 is 1 and x minus x2, we have x2 is 0. So plus y minus y1, y1 is 1, y minus y2, our y2 is 1. Then plus z minus z1, which is given 2, and z minus z2, which is 2, equal to 0. On solving it, we get x minus 1, x plus y minus 1, y minus 1 plus z minus 2 whole square equal to 0. And on further calculating it, x minus 1 x plus y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So we get the equation of sphere, which is in the form of diameter form. Our result is this. So by completing diameter form, now we can put the form in which equation of a sphere through 4 non-coplanar points. We have 4 non-coplanar points. Then how we calculate equation of a sphere? Let the 4 point be x1, y1, z1. Another one is x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3, and x4, y4, z4 be 4 points. And the equation of a sphere through these points is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus g equal to 0. All points satisfy equation 1. This is our equation number 1. The all point which is given are satisfying this equation. Then we get u, v, w and d after solving 4 equations. When we solve those 4 equations, we get the u, v, w and d. So now let us take an example of it. Find the equation of a sphere passing through 0, 0, 0, a, 0, 0, 0, 0, b, 0 and 0, 0, c. These are the 4 non-coplanar points. Now we can calculate equation of a sphere. It's asking find the equation of a sphere passing through these points. So equation of a sphere is, from this equation we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus g equal to 0. This is our first equation, which is general form of equation of these. Then if first passes through the point 0, 0, 0, we get d equals to 0 by putting here and here x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0, we get d equal to 0 from first point. Then so equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz equals to 0 as g equal to 0. If 2 passes through a 0, 0, 0, b, 0 and 0, 0, c. Equation number 3 can be calculated by putting this point in second equation, and equation number 4 can be calculated by putting this point in second equation, and fifth can be calculated by putting this in second equation. We get u, v, w, and we calculated d equals to 0 from equation number 1 by putting 0, 0, 0. So we get d, u, v and w. So from second, third, fourth and fifth we get x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equals to 0. So this is the equation of a sphere passing through the 4 given points. Thank you so much for watching my video. Rise and shine. Have a good day.